Welcome back to the canvas. To turn simple text prompts into high-end professional product shots instantly, you need to know exactly where your tools live. So before we start connecting nodes and generating assets, we will take a complete walkthrough of this creative command center. Let's just quickly create an image node to understand its structure. At the bottom of every image node, you'll find your core settings. You can click right here to select exactly which AI model you want to generate with. To fine-tune your generation, click the settings icon to access the available options for the selected model. Here, you have complete control over the final output. You can select the desired size of the image directly by toggling the image size. The image size controls exactly how sharp your final output is. You can also choose the exact aspect ratio, whether you need a wide cinematic shot or a vertical frame for social media. The aspect ratio options let you change the shape completely. The default standard optimize mode ensures maximum quality. However, you can switch it to fast mode to quickly draft up images without burning up your credits. Now, if you want to make minor tweaks to your current generation, you can toggle Sequential Mode to auto. This ensures your next image is built directly off the previous one, keeping things consistent. Some of these advanced settings will change depending on the model you choose. For example, the Z-Image Turbo model unlocks advanced parameters like steps, which controls generation speed versus final detail, and style strength, which determines how strongly the AI adheres to style of the reference images provided. You can also manually set a specific seed number. If you're trying to keep a character or art style perfectly consistent across multiple completely different nodes, the seed number handles that for you. Once your settings are locked in, click Out to use your image node with these new settings. Then, just like the text node, we have the prompt bar, which is how we provide instructions to the AI model. Let's write a simple prompt to generate an image. Let's hit Run and wait for the image to appear in the output window, which is just above the prompt box. And there it is, our first image generation. Hope you enjoyed it. Come join me in the next episode.